friends. Um, I'd like you to know that I like to pride myself on trying to stay positive and be happy most of the time. But I just have to tell you that I was just grading your the things they carry test, and I was reading the last question where you guys wrote some feedback for me and how you're doing and how this unit was going. And sorry, I just I want you to know that even though I'm staying positive most of the time, I sometimes have these moments where I just really, really miss you. And I miss being at school. And I wish I could talk to you and hang out with you and ask you how your day is. And I wish we could read these books together and just joke together again. So I guess I just wanted to say thank you for the nice comments and the feedback and telling me how you're doing. People said things like the planners that I've made for English have been working really well for them and they're very helpful, and that the screencasts have been helpful for them. And a lot of people said that they really liked the things they carried book. And I've also had a lot of people saying that distance learning has been really hard and that you're struggling. And I'm trying to do the best I can and be here for you digitally, which is really hard. And I just want you to know that I really care about you. And I'm having a really dramatic moment right now, and I'm probably just going to make fun of myself later, and you're probably going to make fun of me too. But I'm thinking a lot about all of you guys, and I really miss you, and I wish we were back at school. And I'm not going to take this job for granted ever again because I really love this job, and I really love you guys. So after this moment, I'm going to be really positive, and this is not going to happen again. But if you are struggling, know that you're not alone, and it's okay to be sad, and it's okay to feel lonely, because I'm with you. This isn't easy, and most of the time I'm fine, but just hearing the things that some of you guys said, and I don't know. I'm here for you if you ever need anything, and just know that I'm thinking of you, and know that I miss you. And I really wish we were still together. And I hope that in the fall I get to have all of you again in my classes somehow. I just hope that that happens. I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay positive. Let me know what you need. And have a really good day. And make good choices.